here we have Beverly Jackson, very talented artist.
No, ma'am.
She'll tell you more of her work.
Okay. I'm Beverly Jackson at the Portmore Festival. And today I have some prints of original works and a few original works. Right? The most popular ones are the ones with the cricket and the ones with the child giggling, hula hooping, sucking thumb, and the dancer. These are all prints. Yes, if you want.
Alright. Okay. Let me get to.
Oh yes, that's all. I heard stop at the black and white so you can know the difference. I love those black and whites. You hear it, babe?
Huh?
I love the black and whites.
Thank you. I had this semi-abstract which they made about another print of that, a frame print. But that's tree craft.
Alright, I also go there at about 3 o'clock. Okay. Alright. Alright. I will try for 2:30. But it's in between 2:30 and 4. Okay, Nora.